Today we'll be working on a list bit. We're going to be fixing the chain and sprocket. The rear sprocket, the bolts are loose for some reason, and there's a missing bolt and a sheared off bolt on the front sprocket. It should be fun, but we can get it done. Next project is this. That bolt broke off right here. So we gotta get all this out. There. See how there's a bolt on this side and on this? Yeah, inside this housing, that's how I found it when I opened it. Put this in there, off of there. My solution to get that bolt out is I'm gonna hold this and spin it with the vice grips until the broken bolt comes out. But I just got a punch put on the screwdriver, and there's already a bolt completely missing out of here, and half a bolt in here that was broken. A second ago it was so packed full of grease I couldn't even spin it. I just got a little bit of laundry soap on a toothbrush to clean it up so I could find the grooves. Because it looked more like this one where you can't even tell where the grooves are. That laundry soap mixed with water, man, cleans grease off stuff real quickly. And I don't have money to be buying BB Blaster and stuff, so. But you see how it cleans it off? But them are the grooves I gotta match up, and it was so dirty I couldn't even figure out where they were. So let's see if I can get this off. See how it lines up? There was so much grease on there I couldn't get it off. Now I can take the gear off and inspect it. Now we're down to the nitty gritty. Look at all this that I gotta clean up. One, yeah, if your bolt's spinning but it ain't coming out, and the bolt's spinning with the nut, just get a little tension under it. See how the bolt is spinning with the nut? Yeah. That's my project today. Now, let's see if we can get this one at all. All right, we got lucky. It's not too bad. Looks like I just need some new bolts. Nothing's destroyed in here. Then look, we got this. I'm gonna have to put a vise on here and spin it. Got to clean up all of this. That's where I found the missing bolt. It's in there. And then you can put that back on. Then we got this to clean up and this to clean up, which it's basically just gonna pop on here. Once again, I don't have the right tool, so I gotta try to compromise. got some nuts. Got all 4 bolts tight where they're not spinning. Got these rings back on. Found 2 new bolts that work really well right here until I can go buy new. But when you have no money to buy parts, that's what you gotta do, is you gotta figure out how to make them work.